Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Rage Hypodermic Crossbow. Rage Hypodermic mechanical broadheads are still very popular among hunters. It's a tried and true design that works well. Their reputation was greatly enhanced by the simplicity of their design. The steel ferrule is outfitted with a razor-sharp hybrid tip for deep penetration. For blade retention, the system employs a dependable high-energy shock collar. When deployed, the .035 5-inch stainless blades have a massive 2-inch cutting diameter, resulting in an equally massive wound channel. Available in 100 and 125 grain sizes. Our second best crossbow broadheads is Sinbad Tech hunting broadheads. The hunting bow tips are made of anodized aluminum, and the tip is made of super hard stainless steel. The hunting bow tip's arrowhead is long-lasting, sharp, and fast, making it ideal for hunting and shooting game. The hunting bow tips from Sinbad Tech are length 2.8 inches, width 1.035 inches, 3 extremely sharp fixed blades. The 100 grain produces a straight fly that is true and accurate. Broadheads with 100 grain capacity and 3 razor-sharp fixed blades. All traditional and compound bows are compatible with the standard screw and insert thread. The hunting shaft is not included in the 12 pieces pack of archery broadheads. Spin tested 100%, deployment tested 100%, strength tested 100%, sharpness tested 100%. For true consistency, make sure that each broadhead is aligned with each of the vanes on each arrow. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Rage Hypodermic Crossbow. The Rage Hypodermic Crossbow NC has cutting-edge finger-like tabs on the blades that are held in place by a slip cam pivot point. The Hypodermic NC has dependable blade retention, eliminating the need for a shock collar. Rage is at the forefront of the mechanical broadhead evolution. These broadheads are famous for their accuracy and legendary wound channels. Aerodynamic one-piece steel ferrule with increased penetration and bone-crushing power. 0.35 of an inch aerodynamic flight is promoted by a hybrid hypodermic tip with machined stainless steel ferrule technology. Aerodynamic flight is promoted by a hybrid hypodermic tip with machined stainless steel ferrule technology. Number 4 in our side is Rage Crossbow X. This Crossbow X broadhead has the same broadhead as the regular Rage 2 blade, as well as all of the other great design features. Rage is at the forefront of the evolution of lethal technology, with award-winning designs and the best-selling expandable broadhead of all time. They have slip cam technology and revolutionary rear deploying blades that fly like field points but expand fully at impact without significant loss of kinetic energy. Rage broadheads are well known for their precision and legendary wound channels. Slip cam design, rear deploying, with large leading edge blade and razor sharp. 0.35 inch stainless steel expandable blades. Cutting diameter, 2 inches grain, 125 grain shock collar technology has been improved to ensure proper blade retention while the bolt is stored and in flight, as well as the ability for the broadhead to open upon impact. Ferrule alignment technology ensures more aerodynamic bolt flight. Like a field tip, it flies. Designed specifically for use with cross bows. Number 5 in our top 5 best crossbow broadheads list is Spitfire Crossbow. The Knapp Spitfire is a 3-blade mechanical broadhead with a solid reputation for dependability and performance. The blades are razor sharp after being sharpened with Knapp's patented diamize process. The Spitfire employs a mechanical spring clip retention system to prevent the blades from deploying in flight, eliminating the need for O-rings even when using high-speed bows. It also has a micro-grooved ferrule that is meant to improve accuracy. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.